Well, good morning, folks. How is everybody's day going? Thought I'd make another little video. And again, one of the problems I have with this sort of style of video and this channel, which I'm trying to develop, is focusing on those. How does an average person use AI on a daily basis? What can they use it for? And when you start to really think about it, all the hype out there in the big media land of YouTube teaching all the AI stuff, it's all this, do this and do that, program this, program that. But the average person is just give me something that I want to do. Now, this particular example I'm going to use here is probably something that the average person is not going to do either. But it gives me a bit of a chance to actually do a little bit of an exercise and show you an AI in operation. I've got a few things going on at the moment. I'm trying to actually transition my whole memory footprint within ChatGPT into Anthropic. That's another little video project that I'll probably throw together today or sometime in the next 24 hours. But this one here was quite interesting. I'm about to put together a video from last weekend's trip to Sukhothai, and throughout that video, there's about maybe 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, where it's just the funeral procession. And I thought, well, I've been through and down this path before with YouTube, trying to find a piece of music on YouTube. I do have an epidemic sound account, but that's on this channel, not on my main channel, if you know what I mean. So I can't use their music. Yeah, it's a big trap when you come to YouTube. You want to use music. I've been caught out many times where, I've thought I've had licensed music and then turn around and sort of some joker comes around and sort of steals it and, claims it's theirs. And then, yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, the only way to do it is to go through this process, make your own bit of music and then sort of, deal with it that way. Anyway, so flicking straight across, let's go straight to the main screen here. I have prepared it. To this stage here. I don't normally put music behind my videos, blah, blah, blah. I've given the instructions. So what have we got here? And for some reason, I've still got this thing here playing up. This is a bit of a bug with my voiceover.
Yeah. This is one of those moments where silence feels almost too loud and music becomes the respectful narrator in the background.
Just quickly, what I'm getting at with that is the fact that, yeah, I've got a problem with the fact that they did an update 2 days ago. I reached out to them and says, well, it's broken. It's defaulting to this Gwefin voice all the time. I don't want to listen to Gwefin. I want to listen to Gwyneth. You get the whole idea. They say they fixed it, but now I got the problem with the fact that these things here, when they push these updates out to Oprah, they can take up to 5 days to actually propagate, which is, yeah, annoying. Anyway, enough of the bagging of either side of those processes. I like Opera. It's a fairly safe and secure browser, and in my opinion, with the right plugins, it obfuscates 99% of the advertising that gets thrown at you every day. You want to know more about that? Hit me up on my Discord channel, okay? Anyway, getting down to the brass tacks here. Yes. So what are we doing?
What you want isn't music in the usual sense. More like a slow-moving atmosphere that breathes with the visuals, something that doesn't try to perform, just gently walks alongside the procession.
Yep.
Here's a Suno prompt you can drop straight in. Traditional Thai-inspired ambient funeral music, slow and reflective tone, soft instrumental only, no vocals. Use gentle Thai instruments like kim, ranat ek, and soft flute textures blended with subtle, modern ambient pads. Tempo very slow, 40 to 60 BPM.
It's about the right speed, yeah. Okay, so let's take that prompt, copy, and then we go over to, I think, here, Suno Music, open a new tab. Still remembers me from before. No, I don't want to pay for anything except all cookies. Okay, so I'm doing styles, and we'll call it, what else? Okay, I don't think we need any more than that. What do we got? Create. Yes, obviously a little bit of a jump cuts here while it goes through this process, because these things can take 3 to 5 minutes. Well, we're getting somewhere. There we go. We've got our first piece. Let's have a quick listen to the one you'd pay for. this one here. Okay, well, they're the ones you'd pay for. Nothing really stood out there. Let's have a look at the short version here in the free version. I like the vocal tones. What about this one here? This is the 1, 2, 3. Where are we? This one. I do like this one. I'm thinking it's a little bit too slow, actually. Mash up the song, adjust the speed. I don't know, is this what you do with this thing here? Reset. Okay, well, we'll do it the other way. I got 4 tracks out of that, but I felt the 40 to 60 beats per minute was wrong. I think it needs to be a little bit faster. Let's see where we go with that. Let's just take that, copy. Let's go back to Suno. I think we go here. Create. That's it. I'll get there. Let's close that one. How do you spell it? Create. Well, there we have our first one. Let's have a quick listen to that. Okay, that's acceptable. What about this one? Okay, well, that gives me 4. I'm not going to publish any of those at the moment because these are going to be used in the video. But yeah, all I need to do now is just download them and prep them up in the actual track. So yeah, how to make background music that won't infringe on, or hopefully won't infringe on, any copyright restrictions within the YouTube framework. I think that's way, way easier to do that than try to find something that would suit within their YouTube library, that's for certain. But anyway, little bits of tips and tricks there, or things that you might find useful. I'm only suggesting this because the fact that I know one person who follows the channel. Hi, Jerry. Maybe you want to try Suno for making your background music there. You were asking me the other day about, the different types of music. So, well, this is another way you could do it. See what you can find out. But yeah, I don't think you've got to use something to actually generate this prompt. So that's the main thing. Anyway, thank you all to people who watch this new channel, and we'll catch up with you later. Peace out. Have fun. Thank you to our Patreons and members, and we'll see you, well, next video. It might be next 5 minutes from now, but we'll see. Okay.